In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to file a 1099K on FreeTaxUSA. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to freetaxusa.com and then sign into your account. Once from here, you'll need to navigate over to the income section over here and then go down to where it says Schedule C. You'll find that inside the business income and then business income Schedule C. Once from here, you'll simply need to click on it. And now from here, you'll need to make sure that you have already registered your business inside of your FreeTaxUSA account. And if you don't see your business, you'll simply need to click add a business down here and just fill in your details like the name and business code, etc, etc, etc. Just click save and continue until everything is filled out. Once from here, it should bring something like this where I can see that your business will be visible over here. And from here, you'll simply need to click continue. Now from here, you'll see a statement from your income. And from here, you'll simply need to scroll down until you see business and rental income plan. Once from here, you'll be able to see the form 1099K income, and from here you'll simply need to click add. Now from here, you'll be able to see over here that you can choose between all of these other ones like gig economy, payment processor, online marketplace, and short-term rental. So you just need to choose which one applies for your situation, and from here you'll just need to click it right there and click save and continue. From here, you'll be able to see enter in your 1099K from Uber Business on Schedule C Business app. Just click continue again, and from here you can edit and add down here again if you want to do that. But that's how I do it. If you have no questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!